My soul burns words into paper. Watch them steam up and rise like vapor. Try to run, but you can't escape her. Stain my lyrics into your brain. I branded you, you'll never be the same. I created your picture and gave it a frame. You awake in the night screaming my name. I am the wind and the flickering of the flame. I am shameless. Watch white as snow. I am without blame. You can try to steal my joy, but you can never feel my pain. Watch as my tears pour out like rain. Watch as they circle and fall down life's drain. Used to live life in a fast lane, now I'm just trying to maintain. No need to complain, the future is mine to obtain. I'm sustained in God's grace. I have felt the coldness of winter's winds on my face, teardrops frozen, stinging my cheeks. This thing helped me to remember the one I should always seek. He tells me to remain meek. The past has been left in the distance. It is bleak, desolate. Are these puzzle pieces tessellate? I need them to fit together perfectly. I'm building this image personally, approaching each verse with such urgency, then playing an urge like it's an emergency. You just have to get over this urge, you see, to go off the path and submerge in the sea. It's not time to swim. It's time to be with him. It's time to sing a hymn. It's no longer dim. He's my light shining bright in the night. He gets me high. Watch my spirit take flight. He sets me on fire. Watch my soul ignite. Burning bright, yearning for the right one to lead this fight. With warring words we write to touch your hearts and excite you. No need to overwrite this. Good night kiss. You just couldn't resist. I had to leave you with a twist because I'm the lyrical gymnast, the hypnotist with the gymnast and a heart full of forgiveness. As God is my witness, you might not always be privileged to get this. So take pride as I say goodbye and leave you with my good night kiss. Mwah.